12-time world champion James "Lights Out" Toney has confirmed that he will appear and hold a meet. The Boxing Expo will also coincide with the highly anticipated rematch between Saul Canelo Alvarez vs Gennady GGG Golovkin, that will take place later that evening at the T-Mobile Arena. Toney will make his third appearance at this year's expo and will be signing gloves, photos, personal items and also have merchandise for fans to enjoy. Boxing fans will have an opportunity to also take pictures with this legend at the James Toney Promotions booth. More info at https://www.jamestoney.com/. Toney is a former IBF middleweight, super middleweight and cruiserweight world champion. He has been regarded as one of the greatest defensive fighters of his era and was unbeaten in his first 46 contest bouts. Toney has fought at the elite level for more than 3 decades and is a sure first-ballot Hall of Famer. Toney holds notable wins over Michael Nunn, Reggie Johnson, Mike McCallum, Aaron Barkley, Vasily Jurov, and Evander Holyfield. With over 90 pro fights in his career, not once has he ever been knocked out and no referee has ever had to save him or stop a fight while competing. Toney was also awarded Ring Magazine and Boxing Writers Association of America Fighter of the Year 1991 and Comeback Fighter of the Year 2003. Toney joins Mayweather Promotions, WBC, WBA, Thomas Hearns, David Benavidez, Jose Benavidez, Badujak, Mia Street, John, Jesse Vargas, Eric Morales and Fernando Vargas as an early commitment to this year's Box Fan Expo. About Box Fan Expo. Box Fan Expo is the ultimate boxing fan experience event, which allows fans to meet and greet boxing superstars of today, current and former world champions, legends of the sport and other boxing celebrities. Fans can expect to experience various interactions such as autograph and photos sessions, face-off with your favorite boxers, pictures with the ring card girls, live DJ music, chance to win prizes, purchase merchandise and memorabilia from different booths, exhibitors, all under one roof. You won't want to miss this must-attend expo. Box Fan Expo has been a huge success with fans and boxing industry people. Many boxing stars have attended the last 3 expos such as Floyd Mayweather, Mike Tyson, Roberto Duran, Tommy Hearns, Marco Antonio Barrera, Roy Jones Jr., Marcos Maidana, Sergio Martinez, Keith Thurman, Danny Garcia, Tim Bradley, Deontay Wilder, Amir Khan, Sean Porter, Fernando Vargas, Zab Judah, James Toney, Vinny Pazienza, Mikey Garcia, Mia Street, Johns, Leo Santa Cruz, Badujak, Terry Norris, Riddick Bowe, Ernie Shavers, Leon Spinks, Danny Jacobs, Abner Mares, Jorge Linares, Brandon Rios and many more. Exhibitors such as boxing gear, apparel, new equipments, energy drinks, alcohol, supplement products, broadcasting media, sanctioning bodies and other companies who wish to participate will once again have a chance to showcase their brand to fans, media and the boxing industry. Tickets to the Box Fan Expo are available online at https://boxfanexpo.eventbrite.com. Throughout the next few weeks leading up to the event, there will be weekly updates on the many stars that will commit their appearance at the Boxing Expo. And for anyone in the boxing industry or other exhibitors, non-industry, who would like to be involved and reserve a booth, contact us. Telephone number 514-572-7222 or Las Vegas number 702-997-1927. Read more articles about James Toney.